Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming the essentials so the GPS can work accurately. First, check your iPhone model and iOS version in Settings General About, because older software behaves differently. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is on and turn on location services in Settings Privacy, then tap the app you'll use. Once done, open Apple Maps or Compass to begin. These apps request precise location and render your blue dot, which proves the GPS is receiving a fix. Now you'll work to get a precise GPS fix by positioning the phone correctly. You should be outdoors with a clear view of the sky. Buildings and trees can block satellite signals and increase error. In Maps, tap the location arrow to center yourself and wait for the blue dot and the shrinking accuracy ring. This indicates improved precision. If you need exact coordinates or altitude, open Compass or a dedicated GPS app to read latitude, longitude, and signal strength from satellites. Finish by locking your map view and saving a location. Drop a pin or start navigation to retain the GPS fix during travel. If accuracy is poor, force close the app, toggle location services off and back on, or reboot the iPhone. These quick steps often restore satellite connections. Make sure iOS is up to date and only reset location and privacy or network settings if problems persist. If nothing helps, contact Apple support, because hardware issues, like a damaged GPS.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.